don't stop.
So hi everyone, today I'm back for a new Scratch tutorial which will have two parts about this dinosaur that you all surely know. We knew it with Google and today we will try to reproduce it with Scratch. So let's start the tutorial. To start, we must first show the sprite who is the dinosaur. We delete the Scratch cat now. And we go to the search bar, we write dinosaur, and here is it, we press on it, that's it. So we notice with this dinosaur that its feet are moving, one that goes up and the other that goes down so quickly. And to be able to perform this movement, we will have to click on Custom to make some adjustments with the feet. So here we will find 4 types of dinosaurs with a few small differences. 1, 2, 3, 4. One is made A and B and C and D. We will choose the C, that's it, because its A corresponds the most to a moving dinosaur. And then we click on duplicate. Here, duplicate. To have 2 copies of the same dinosaur. 2 copies. So the first one, we will move the left foot a little higher. The left foot a little higher. Like this. And the second one, we will move the right foot a little higher, like this. For that we can achieve this movement. Yeah, that's it. And now we will go back to code. Yes, and we will choose this event. So we click on event when we click on the green flag. When the green flag is clicked, yes, and then on control, and we choose repeat forever. That's it. Repeat forever. We choose wait. Now we click on appearance, exactly on switch on the custom. Appearance, the up looks, switch, custom. So what's its name? That's its name. 4C and 4C2. 4C and 4C2. We click here to specify the custom, which is 4C. Dinosaur 4C. That's it. We click again on wait in event, in control, wait another time, and another time on switch. Okay, so looks, switch custom to, and we specify that it's the 4CB, 4C2. Okay. So we look at what it gives. Click. We see that it's a little slow, so we change the waiting seconds. So we change the waiting seconds. Let's instead 1, we will write 0.2. So that's it, and there is the result. Okay, it's Fine. And now we're gonna teach our little dinosaur how to jump. So we take the event up. So first we go to events. Yes, we take the event when up arrow is pressed. Up arrow K. Up arrow K is pressed. Up arrow K is pressed. And then choose the motion. Change Y by 10 so that it can go up. The dinosaur. We click on control, and then on wait 1 second. 1 second. And we click on motion. Okay, then we choose change Y by minus 10. So that the dinosaur can come down. So we look at what it gives. We click on the up arrow K. Okay, we click. So that's it. Another time. Okay. We notice that he is not jumping as high, especially that we will then add obstacles, which will be higher. Then he will have to jump higher, and for that we will add 100 to Y instead of 10. Okay, so we change Y by 100 instead of 10. Add 0. Okay. Then and add minus 100 instead of minus 10. Okay, and there is our result. Okay, he's moving his its feet. Okay, and now we're gonna click. Okay, stop. We're gonna click on the up arrow K to watch what's gonna. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's it. And for the final result we have. Okay, so we click on the frag. Then we press on the up arrow K. Okay. Another time. Okay, so that's it, the final result, and it's finished. So here is our first part is over, and goodbye for the next and last part where we will learn to move the scenery and put some obstruction to complete the game. Otherwise, I hope that my sample video will help you, and thanks for watching.
Don't stop.